This video will show how to use the SignalScout by Psiber Data Systems for installing over-the-air TV antennas and coaxial cable TV for internet. It has a power and a home button, and under the protective flap it has a USB port for charging and a coaxial connector for making your measurements. In addition to that, everything else is accomplished through the user touchscreen. The SignalScout is designed to test these 6 test points within a home. Test point 1, the actual antenna installation. Test point 2, the drop cable from the antenna to the media enclosure. Test point 3, this is the drop from the cable company's splitter or tap, which is usually aerial or underground. Test point 4, this measures the noise coming from a home, which is particularly important for internet installations. And test point 5 and 6, which are located inside the home at the TV and cable modem. In the next few videos, we are going to dig deeper into the SignalScout and go through the 4 primary operating modes. Those are level, scan, noise, and setup. And the final video will take us through an actual installation for a home.